In this video, we'll walk through how to resolve the error. The relationship name is already used by a custom field. Please rename the existing relationship name. This error typically occurs when trying to install a package from the App Exchange. However, if the object has already been deleted, we won't see the custom object in the Object Manager, and it becomes difficult to identify where the object and its fields are referenced. So, I'll just demo it here. I'm creating a custom object and to delete it afterwards. I'm leaving all the settings as it is, not selecting a tab as well. Clicking on save. Now the object is created. I'll just delete this object. I'll refresh the page and check if the object is already present here. Object is deleted completely. So it is difficult to check the object and fields are referenced from. So we have to enter this link after the domain. I'll refresh this page. So I can see the object is still in the org. It is not permanently deleted yet. I should click on erase. After carefully reading this, delete the object if you no longer need it. This will remove the object from your org. Then try installing the package again. This time you shouldn't face any issues as the object has been completely removed from your org. Let me know if this works for you in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Salesforce tips. Also, if you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to me. We can connect and investigate the problem together. You can check out my channel where I have uploaded a bunch of videos on how to resolve other issues as well. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section.